Yep, just keep it running, don't stop. Oh, where'd that? Well, I thought she hung her head down more than that.
Yeah, she does again, just wait.
Stay focused, Richard.
The little kid leaves and
Is
then
that
she
Richard on the left?
No.
No, it's a
Yeah, that's me on the left. My new bathing suit. No, now it's not there.
just calm down. Be patient. Just wait. She's gonna do it again.
Can we use your phone?
There she
please?
goes. All right.
We want to play games.
You ready for this?
You want phone? Yeah, we
About to happen.
Whoa! She just went away.
All right. Just be patient. Next up. No.
No, that's you.
No.
No, that's her.
Go.
This is getting to be too long a movie.
You gotta be patient, Dad.
Well, yeah, but I don't remember this. This is ridiculous. Oh, there she is again. Hey, aw, hey, give me some more carrots. That's cute. Yeah, okay, boom.